Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Bella. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to have a belly flat and maintain it flat with this amazing secret weapon of tea. This tea actually you take it at night right before you go to sleep. In the morning you poop all the toxic out and you have an amazing belly fat. So if you want to see how I make this tea, keep on watching. So first ingredient you're gonna need is orange, and then the second one is gonna be lemon, and the third ingredient is honey, and after honey we also gonna need tea, which I'm gonna use a green tea, but you can use any tea of your choice. And then last but not least, we're gonna need ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to mix it all together. So we're gonna go ahead and peel off uh, the skin of orange. Orange is actually very good for digestion, and it softens your food while sleeping, and also help you digest very easily. And for lemon is actually amazing. It has a high in acid, and also it has vitamin C that help you to lose weight. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the ingredient in small pieces, include ginger, because ginger is amazing source, and ginger is actually good to break down all the toxic in your system and release it. So mixing ginger with lemon and orange, it's actually an amazing mixture that will help your system to release all the toxic that you have in the morning. That's why this tea, it's absolutely great to drink it right before bedtime, and in the morning you poop all out. So now, as you can see, I cut all the ingredient, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together. So before we go ahead and mix all the mixture together, we're gonna go ahead add apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar actually is good to improve digestion, and it helps people to lose weight and reduce belly fat. So it's absolutely amazing. I'm going and add few spoon of apple cider vinegar. actually done mixing. This is actually how the paste look like. I like it a little bit with the tiny pieces of, tiny pieces of the ingredients. I like to, to feel it, but you can actually make it even smaller pieces like a paste. Really go for how you like, your tea to taste like. So for me, I keep it with the small pieces. And now I'm putting in a jar because really, as you can see, this is a big amount. I'm not gonna use all in one day, so I'm putting in a jar so I can save it in the refrigerator and make sure that the jar is closed properly, that there's no way, any thing can get in or get out. So you keep this in a refrigerator. I usually keep it for good 2 to 3 days, because I use it with we all in the family use it. Me and my husband, we use it. So for good 2 to 3 days is good. So now I'm gonna make my tea. Make sure that the water is very really hot water, because that's how it's gonna help your body, your system to, to release all the fats. So you need water to be very, very, very hot. Just like when you're making tea, the tea, the the water has to be hot. Now, warm or whatever, it has to be hot. So as you can see, so first thing what I do, I put the tea bag inside the cup. So I use a green tea, but you can actually use any tea of your choice. But green tea, it's for me, it's good, and that's why I'm using it. So please go ahead, choose any kind of tea that you like and use it. So if you're watching this video and you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel for more video like this. So now I'm going ahead and add pouring water, hot water to my cup of tea, and then I'm gonna leave that tea for a good few minutes to make sure that that the water absorb, all the tea, and all the tea comes out. You can see it change the color, and then when you know that it's ready for you to add your mixture. So you can see the water change. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture. So this mixture, it's the secret weapon, guys. I usually put one spoon, but again, it's based on your choice. It's not gonna harm you anything, guys. So you can go ahead and add 2 teaspoons if you want, and go ahead, please add honey. I do use honey because I don't like to use regular sugar. So because your body need energy, so honey is gonna give your body that energy, to break all those belly fats, everything, while you're sleeping. So this is why this tea is very important to take it before you go to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 teaspoon of honey, and that's just because I don't want too much sugar or less sugar, so I just want it to be just the way I like it. So I'm adding 2 teaspoon of honey, and voila. So I just mix it up and enjoy the tea. Like, guys, this is it's a game changer. Really, it's gonna help you in the morning. You see that you're gonna poop out all the toxic, you know that you had. And this, if you keep doing this, you're gonna maintain flat stomach. And yeah, so really now I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my tea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Share this video with friends and family. Don't keep it for yourself, girl. We all need that belly fat, flat. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.